Have you ever pondered how a simple fruit could drastically improve your health? Dates are among the most nutritious fruits, packed with vitamins and antioxidants, which makes them a powerful tool for both treating and preventing various diseases, including those affecting the brain and heart. However, many people aren't aware of how to effectively use dates as a natural remedy for different ailments, or how to fully harness their benefits. In this video, we'll explore the remarkable health advantages of dates and how they can positively transform your life. We'll also cover the best ways to consume dates to ensure you get the most out of them. One of the most remarkable features of dates is their ability to serve as a potent antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agent, capable of fighting diseases caused by bacteria and inflammation. Research involving extracts from date seeds and leaves has demonstrated that dates can effectively combat harmful bacteria, including dangerous microbes like E. coli and those that cause pneumonia. Now, let's address a crucial question. When should you eat dates to maximize their health benefits? The optimal time to eat dates and give your body a necessary boost is in the morning, right after you wake up. Dates can be eaten even on an empty stomach since they are rich in a natural sugar called fructose, along with essential vitamins and minerals that can kickstart your day with a burst of energy. The natural sugars in dates can elevate blood sugar levels and stimulate the brain's reward centers, releasing dopamine and other chemicals that increase your energy levels. This results in heightened alertness, better focus, and mental clarity, providing a natural energy boost to start your day on the right foot. In fact, consuming dates before your morning workout can provide the energy boost needed to extend your training sessions and push your limits. The high natural sugar content in dates is quickly processed by the liver, leading to a rapid increase in the body's main energy source. This energy surge helps your muscles work more efficiently, enhancing your performance during exercise. Additionally, dates are rich in potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance and electrolyte levels, preventing dehydration and muscle cramps. This ensures that nothing will hinder you from completing your workout routine. To enjoy dates in the morning, you can either eat them dried or soak them until they become soft and blend them with other fruits to make smoothies. Given their high natural sugar content, dates are also an excellent natural sweetener for your drinks. You can grind dried dates into fine granules to create date sugar. Unlike processed or refined sugars, date sugar is healthier because it retains the fiber and antioxidants your body needs to function optimally. Date sugar not only has a minimal impact on blood sugar levels, but also offers valuable nutrients when consumed in moderation. It's rich in potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, all of which are beneficial for heart and bone health. However, because it still contains carbohydrates and calories, it's best to use it sparingly, especially after a workout. Now let's look at some common mistakes people make when eating dates. First, some individuals with fructose intolerance consume dates, not realizing that this could be problematic. Despite the many health benefits dates offer, certain mistakes can occur during consumption, particularly if the person has underlying health conditions. A significant mistake is that dates are not suitable for those with fructose intolerance. The natural sweetness of dates comes from fructose, a sugar similar to table sugar, but naturally present in fruits and vegetables. Even in small amounts, the fructose in dates can be harmful to individuals with fructose intolerance, a condition characterized by a digestive disorder caused by the body's inability to properly absorb and process fructose in the small intestine. Those with fructose intolerance often lack or have malfunctioning proteins necessary for fructose absorption. Consequently, unabsorbed fructose interacts with healthy gut bacteria, draws water into the colon, and leads to osmotic diarrhea. This interaction can trigger gastrointestinal symptoms, particularly abdominal pain due to inflammation. Secondly, individuals with diabetes may also misstep when consuming dates. Like any nutritious food, there's a limit to how much you can safely eat. Exceeding this can lead to negative effects on your body. Dates are no exception, so it's important to monitor your intake. People with low blood sugar levels can safely consume 3 to 5 dates per day. This is because many of the foods we eat already contain high amounts of sugar, leaving little room for the high fructose content in dates. Although dates have a low glycemic index, GI, and release sugar slowly, those with diabetes should be cautious, as dates still contain natural sugars that can impact blood sugar levels. Overconsumption of dates can negate the protective benefits of their fiber and turn them into a high glycemic food. According to University Health News, dates can have a glycemic index of 103, which is higher than glucose at 100. With around 40 grams of carbohydrates per 2-ounce serving, dates have a glycemic load of 42. While this might seem reasonable, excessive consumption can lead to insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Insulin resistance occurs when the body's cells don't respond well to insulin, forcing the pancreas to produce more insulin to compensate. Over time, this can strain the pancreas, impair glucose control, and increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. And if you already have diabetes, eating too many dates can exacerbate the condition, worsening insulin resistance, inflammation, and oxidative stress. Thirdly, people trying to lose weight might mistakenly consume too many dates. Another common mistake is overindulging in dates while trying to shed pounds. If you're aiming to lose or maintain your weight, it's crucial to stick to the recommended amount. A quarter cup of dates contains about 24 grams of carbohydrates and 105 calories, so consuming too many calories could lead to weight gain. As a general rule, consuming 3,500 calories above what your body needs results in about a pound, 0.45 kilograms, of weight gain. To put this into perspective, eating an extra 500 calories from dates daily could result in gaining a pound within a week. Over time, this weight gain can lead to obesity, a condition characterized by excessive fat accumulation in the body, which increases the risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Dates can also cause hyperkalemia. Did you know that eating a moderate amount of dates daily provides your body with enough potassium to function correctly? Potassium is vital for balancing fluids, regulating nerve signals, and supporting muscle contractions, including those of the heart. It also helps maintain strong bones by reducing calcium loss and preserving the proper environment for bone growth. For individuals with healthy kidneys, consuming potassium-rich foods like dates can help maintain optimal blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium and supporting heart health. Research has shown that higher potassium intake reduces the risk of kidney stones because potassium binds with substances like calcium and oxalates in the urine, preventing them from forming crystals that could develop into kidney stones. Potassium also helps maintain an alkaline environment in the body, reducing the formation of certain types of kidney stones like uric acid and cystine stones. However, consuming too many dates can lead to hyperkalemia, a condition where the potassium level in the blood becomes excessively high. Normal blood potassium levels range between 3.6 and 5.2 milliequivalents per litre, but levels above 6.5 milliequivalents are dangerous and require medical attention. People with kidney disease are particularly susceptible to this condition. The kidneys play a crucial role in regulating potassium levels by filtering and excreting excess potassium from the body. When kidney function is impaired, the body's ability to maintain potassium balance is compromised, leading to an accumulation of potassium in the bloodstream. This buildup can cause side effects such as heart arrhythmias, muscle weakness, and in severe cases, cardiac arrest. As mentioned earlier, the moderate daily intake of dates is between 3 and 5, but if you have diabetes or other health conditions, it's advisable to limit your intake to 1 to 3 dates per day to manage your sugar levels effectively. Eating polished dates can cause nausea. You may have noticed that some dates have an unusually shiny appearance. This shine often results from a wax coating applied by certain date providers to enhance their visual appeal and boost sales. What many people don't realize is that the wax coating may contain harmful substances that could pose health risks. In small quantities, they may not pose a significant threat, but excessive consumption could lead to stomach upset and nausea. The wax coating on dates typically consists of beeswax, carnauba wax, or shellac, which can cause nausea in some people due to potential contaminants and the body's reaction to these indigestible substances. When ingested, the wax coating on dates remains intact in the digestive tract, irritating the lining and causing inflammation. This irritation may trigger the release of gastrointestinal hormones that stimulate the stomach to produce excess acid, leading to nausea, vomiting, and abdominal discomfort. The wax coating on dates may also contain trace amounts of pesticides, heavy metals, or other harmful substances that could enter the bloodstream and cause nausea and other symptoms. Therefore, when purchasing dates, it's better to choose those with a rougher appearance and avoid the ones polished with potentially harmful substances. Dates and gastrointestinal issues like constipation. There's no doubt that dates are a healthy fruit with high fiber content that aids digestion. With 2.7 grams of fiber in just a quarter cup serving, dates contribute significantly to the recommended daily fiber intake of 20 to 35 grams for adults, as suggested by the University of Maryland Medical Center. Incorporating dates into your diet can provide 7 to 30% of the recommended daily fiber intake, depending on your gender and personal needs. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate found in plant-based foods that resists digestion in the small intestine and reaches the colon relatively intact. In the colon, fiber is broken down by gut bacteria, producing short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, that serve various functions, such as providing energy, balancing the pH level in the gut, and regulating immune responses. Fiber in the colon also promotes regular bowel movements by adding bulk and moisture to the stool, preventing constipation and related bowel issues. Fiber also supports a diverse and balanced community of gut bacteria, improving digestive health and reducing the risk of bowel disorders. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract, slowing digestion and the absorption of nutrients like glucose and fructose. This process leads to more stable blood sugar levels and reduces the risk of insulin spikes. However, one of the worst times to eat dates is right after a large meal, as the fiber content can slow digestion, making you feel overly full and uncomfortable. Even worse, excessive fiber intake from dates can lead to constipation. Fiber, especially insoluble fiber, absorbs water in the digestive tract, adding bulk to the stool and promoting regular bowel movements. However, if fiber intake exceeds the body's ability to hydrate and process it, the colon may struggle to form well-hydrated stools, leading to dry, compacted stools that are difficult to pass and resulting in constipation. Diarrhea. Interestingly, dates can help alleviate symptoms of diarrhea because their high fiber content absorbs excess water in the intestines, solidifying the stool and reducing the frequency and urgency of diarrhea. However, if consumed in excess, the opposite can occur. Eating too many dates can cause diarrhea due to their high sorbitol content, a sugar alcohol that is difficult for the body to digest. When sorbitol isn't fully absorbed in the small intestine, it reaches the colon, where it draws water into the colon, increasing the water content of the stool and decreasing its consistency, leading to diarrhea. You might not need to consume a large number of dates to experience this side effect, as conditions like fructose intolerance can also cause gastrointestinal symptoms such as diarrhea. This happens when fructose is not properly absorbed in the small intestine and reaches the colon, where gut bacteria ferment it. This fermentation produces gas, short-chain fatty acids, and water, which increases the water content in the stool and leads to diarrhea. Since our bodies react differently to the foods we eat, some people may not experience any side effects unless they consume dates excessively, while others might react even to small amounts. Therefore, it's important to monitor your health when eating dates daily, and if any problems arise, consult your doctor immediately. Now tell us, how often do you eat dates, And which of these date consumption mistakes surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. To learn more about the benefits and side effects of dates, click on the video on your screen to discover how eating 2 dates a day can trigger an irreversible reaction in your body. See you soon.